Success doesn't just happen randomly. Every car that rolls into your shop is an opportunity to build trust, deliver value, and drive profitability. So what separates the top performing shops from the ones just getting by? Let's talk more about that next. The key to driving more sales comes down to three factors: your service advisors, ongoing training, and an effective labor rate. These aren't just best practices though. They're the foundation of a shop that runs smoothly, stays competitive, and turns a solid profit. Let's start with service advisors, aka the face of your shop. A skilled advisor needs to be a problem solver, a great communicator, and a team leader. It's important to continually coach them up on communication, estimating, and customer service, and give them regular feedback to keep improving. The second factor is ongoing training throughout the shop. The vehicles in your base today are not the same ones you serviced even 5 years ago. Advancements in ADAS, hybrid systems, and diagnostics require everyone in your shop to be up to date and willing to learn. Regular training sessions shouldn't be an option. It's a must if you want to stay ahead. As for labor rate, it's not enough to just post a high rate on the wall. What matters more is what you actually earn per billed hour. If your posted rate is $180, but your technician spends 2 hours solving a 1-hour job, your effective labor rate drops to $90. That kind of gap can really affect your profitability. Labor is likely where most of your gross profit comes from. It funds everything from salaries, rent, tools, training, and more. Without strong labor margins, your shop can lose money even when it looks busy. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time. Thanks for watching.